How to untag yourself on TikTok. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can untag yourself from any post that you have been tagged. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Head over to your TikTok application from your device. Make sure that you are logged into your account, then tap onto your profile on your bottom right. If you have been tagged in any post, then you will get a notification. To view that, simply tap on Inbox. Here tap on Activities. Once done, you will be able to see it. In order to remove yourself from the post or video, just tap onto your name and tap onto Remove Tag. And in case you would like to get tagged in that post or video again, then all you have to do is tap on Add Back. Just like so, this is how you can do it. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.